Okay, so Mr. Allred here, and we're going to simplify some logarithmic expressions using some of our rules for logarithms. So the first one here, a, is log base 7 of the square root of 7. So the first thing you notice there is the 7 and the 7. So turn to the rule that looks something like this. Log base a of a to a power equals that power. So all we got to do is rewrite this thing a little bit. And what we know is we can rewrite from rational exponent lessons the square root of 7 as 7 to the 1/2. And now it's log base 7 of 7 to the 1/2, which matches the log base a of a to the x. And since that simplifies down to be just x, this thing was simplified down to be just 1/2. B here, natural log of e to the 2.89. This is actually the exact same rule that we just used, just in the natural log form. So natural log infers base e, you can put in there if you want, but it's a base rate and a base in the argument, so natural log of e to the x is the rule, and that simplifies down to be just x. So we don't need to rewrite it first because it's already natural log base e of e to 2.89, so this simplifies down to just 2.89. So just seeing how it fits the rule. C, natural log base 3 of 1. We do have a rule that says anything, log base a, of anything, any base of 1 will give us 0. So log base a of 1 equals 0. So this would equal 0 from that rule. The last one down here is a little bit more complicated, D. It's log base 8 of 4 raised to the log of 1,000. So keep in mind what log of 1,000 might be. Log of 1,000, I'll write it off to the side. This is not a rule, but log of 1,000 is 10 to the third. So that'd be base 10 of 10 to the third, so that's 3. So we can rewrite this as log base 8 of 4 to the third, or 4 cubed. So then we could rewrite that as log base 8 of 64, because that's what 4 cubed is. And 64 is 8 squared. So now we're right back to the same rule we used at the top of the page. So this right here would give me 2. So log base 8 of 8 squared would just give me that 2. So using these rules to try and simplify and kind of rid ourselves of that log in special situations.